Good morning, everyone.
Today is picnic day.
Yay! I love picnics. Me too.
Let's get ready.
Sandwiches are ready.
Don't forget juice.
And cookies.
Okay, cookies.
I bring the ball. And the kite.
Good idea.
Blanket, food, drinks.
Everything is ready.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go.
Time to go.
I'm excited. Picnic time. Seatbelts on.
Ready?
Yes! I see the park. It's beautiful. Almost there.
Clouds.
That's strange.
Will it rain?
Oh no!
Rain started!
Let's think.
The rain is strong.
The picnic may stop.
Oh no. I waited all week. I wanted to play. I know.
Idea.
What idea?
Let's go home.
Home? Why?
Indoor game day.
That sounds fun.
Really? Indoor picnic! That's cool. Yes!
Let's start game day.
Yay!
Best idea.
Rain is loud, but cozy. Yes.
Plans change sometimes.
Fun stays.
Yes!
We are home.
Game time!
Let's go.
Welcome back.
Warm house.
I like it.
Indoor picnic.
Yay!
Great idea.
Picnic on the floor, like camping. Perfect. Cookies are tasty. Sandwich too. Enjoy.
Game time.
I love games. Me too.
Oh no.
I win. My turn.
That was funny.
Everyone happy.
Yes! I draw the park.
Add rain. Nice art.
Look at my fort. Wow!
Great job.
It's a castle. I'm the queen. Hello, queen.
Dance time.
Let's dance.
Spin.
Jump.
Fun.
Listen to rain. Sounds peaceful.
Cozy.
Snack time.
Yay! Delicious.
Funny show.
Enjoy. Happy faces is our best moment. Yes!
Fresh pancakes.
Yum! Thank you.
Teamwork.
Good helpers. Yes! Best picnic ever.
Even with rain.
Exactly.
Family time matters.
Yes!
Always. Always.
My car is fast. Mine is faster.
What a race! And Leo leads!
No way! That was fun. Let's draw again. Okay. Sunny Park. Rain clouds. Nice drawings.
They're happy.
That's important.
Yes!
Dance again!
Yay!
Let's move.
Jump!
Spin.
Ha-ha! I'm tired. Me too. Rest time.
Juice break!
Thank you.
Refreshing.
Delicious. Very good. Glad you like it.
I love family time.
Me too. Me 3.
Rain didn't stop fun. It made memories.
Yeah! Our camp. Adventure.
Hello, campers.
Once a rainy day came.
Like today.
Yes.
Rain can be fun.
With family.
True.
You want to see my that.
Rain is stopping. Look outside.
Rainbow. Beautiful. Wow.
Wow.
Nature surprise.
Perfect ending.
Amazing. Best day ever. Even with rain. Yes.
Fun is family.
Not place. Right. That was a fun day.
Even with the rain.
I loved it. The pillow fort was my favorite. Mine too.
Great teamwork.
Hot cocoa for everyone.
Yay!
Perfect treat.
This tastes amazing.
Warm and sweet.
I'm glad you like it.
Best rainy day ever.
Yes, it was fun.
I'm happy too.
Look outside. The rain is stopping.
I see sunlight.
Wow, a rainbow. So colorful. Nature surprise.
Today was special.
Rain turned into fun.
Yes.
Family time is the best.
No matter the weather.
We love our family.
Today was special.
Rainy but wonderful.
Best picnic ever.
Family fun.